This is the performance summary for the relative strength strategy for the week ending March 27th. Let's start by inputting the current balance of the account into the spreadsheet. So for the month of March, the strategy is down 7.81%. And these are the three positions held in the portfolio. Each one is weighted at 33%. First one is the Fidelity China Region Mutual Fund. And that mutual fund, the top holdings there are Taiwan Semiconductor, Tencent Holdings, Alibaba, Zijin Mining, and Unimicron Technology. And over the past 3 months, this is how the mutual fund has been performing. It's gone down since we entered it. And over the past 1 year, this is how it looks. And it's one of the top 3 picks according to the ranking rule that's used by the strategy. And it basically ranks across a very large universe of assets and mutual funds and indexes. And this is one of the top 3 that came up to the top. If you want to see the full list of the universe that it uses, you can go to my website and check it there. Next one is the Fidelity Select Semiconductors portfolio. That one is down 7% since we entered it. And that particular mutual fund, the top holdings are NVIDIA, Broadcom, Marvell, Micron, and NXP Semiconductor. And this is how it looks over the past 3 months and over the past 1 year. And again, this is one of the top 3 picks amongst the large universe. And the third holding is the Fidelity Select Technology portfolio, which is down 6% since we entered it. And the top holdings in that one are NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, NXP, and Marvell. So there's a couple of overlaps in there between the semiconductor. And this is how that one's been looking over the past 3 months and over the past 1 year. Okay, now let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is how the equity curve, the actual equity curve is looking since we went live with the strategy last year. And the cumulative P&L since going live is up 53.2%. And let's look at the performance of the strategy long-term back-tested all the way back to 1991. So from 91 to present date, relative strength has an annualized return of 18% annualized compared to 9% for the S&P 500. And year-to-date, the strategy is now up 12.8%. And that's compared to a negative 7% year-to-date for the S&P 500. So we're beating it by quite a bit so far. And that's the back-tested equity curve going back to 1991 compared to the gray line, which is the S&P 500. So if you'd like to learn more about relative strength, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service, where I email you the ETF and mutual fund picks into your email inbox on a monthly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.